1 can of evaporated full cream milk, so about 354 ml. You need a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2.5 cups of flour, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt. We also need 2 eggs. Isa-separate lang natin yung egg yolk and egg white. We also need 1/4 cup of melted butter. Ang gamit ko po ay Lurpak. This is the brand that I use. You can use any brand that you like, but this is my favorite. So we're just going to combine all the dry ingredients. Just give it a good mix. The lemon juice. Mix natin lahat ng wet ingredients. Then we will add in the butter. For the toppings, I'm going to use fresh strawberries, and I'm also going to use crème fraiche. Magpapasarap sa pancakes natin, I don't want to use maple syrup. I want to use this one from Monte Rio Farm. It's pure, raw, organic forest honey. There you go.